Hello, welcome to Husband Barbecue. Let's smoke a turkey leg and some chicken. Okay, first we need to make a brine. I'm using 2 vegetable stock cubes. And I have 1 quart of water. Then I have 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of kosher salt. I have chili flavored salt that I'm using. Then I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar replacement in my case, 1 teaspoon of sage that you have to crush, it's dried sage, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. This goes into the water, bring it to a boil, and then let it cool down completely. Okay, so I have the chicken, 2 pieces of chicken and 1 turkey thigh. I'm putting that in a vacuum bag. And then onto this, I'm gonna pour the brine, of course, because that's the whole point. This has now completely cooled down. It's actually been in the fridge as well. Pouring that over there, and then trying to vacuum seal this. My vacuum sealer is not very good at sucking air out of wet stuff, so took some experimenting, but I just wanted it to close it down so I could put it in the fridge overnight. I was gonna brine this for 12 hours, but I ended up brining it almost 24 because I did calculate a little bit wrong. Okay, so I brined these almost 24 hours actually, and I just rinsed them off and patted them more or less dry. And I'm gonna season them with, for the flavor, extra flavor, garlic and herb from Mrs. Dash. Just like so. And as you noted before, I've got 2 pieces of chicken and 1 turkey. I'm just going to cook them together. And then for a little bit of extra flavor, garlic salt from Lori's. There we go. Flip him over. Do it the other way around. Garlic salt. And Mrs. Dash. And then we're gonna get them on the kettle. I'm gonna be aiming to hold this at 250 for maybe 4 hours. We'll see. And first off, I'm gonna add a little bit of smoke wood. I'm gonna be using a small piece of hickory. I'm gonna add that in the beginning of the smoke. And then a couple of sprigs of hazelnut just to add some fun flavor. Okay, so then it's time to put the turkey on there. I'm using a probe, of course, because I want to bring this to at least safe temperature, 165, and trying to get that into the thickest part of the leg. It's really hard because it's a bunch of bone and stuff in there. Anyway, then the chicken and the chicken. Anyway, just have to maximize it. So the coals are on this side and it's just going to cook in direct. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so the internal temperature has reached 170, so let's check it out. This is what it looks like 4 hours and 15 minutes later. It's a nice smoke ring. Okay, I'm going to try to get this off the bone and slice it up. There we go, smoked turkey leg on a Weber kettle, brine and everything according to the rules. I'm gonna try it. Really nice, very flavorful. It's really, really good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.